Chiash Pam. My name is Pam. I am First Nations. In our language, our band is called Lillooet. Lillooet is one community of 11 communities, and together we're called Statlium Nation. My family's women's lineage is from Mount Currie, the Lillooet Nation. This is the prayer that I did regarding our legend, the Copper Canoe. O Great Spirit, thank you for the gift of water. Water is our medicine and our most sacred resource. Water is a living spirit. It is alive and she remembers our ancestors. Great Spirit, today I pray for the protection of our water. Help me to stand up for those who do not have a voice, to stand up for the winged people, the crawling people, the four-legged people, the two-legged people, the plants, the trees, the lakes, and Mother Earth, as we are all related. And Great Spirit, please give our water protectors the strength and courage to be the warriors they need to be so we can pass on our most sacred resource, water, on to our future generations. All my relations. I like this prayer because it speaks about life purpose. O Great Spirit, I call on the ancestors, Mother Earth, grandmothers, the grandfathers, the sky keepers of the four directions, and all teachers, including the animals. I give thanks for allowing me to spend another wonderful day here on Mother Earth. As the sun sets, I would like to leave behind all that needs to be left behind. I look forward to another new day. Keep my path illuminated and have the morning star shine on my path so that I can continue to walk the path I'm here to walk. Help me to keep my feet firmly grounded on my path. Please help me to overcome any obstacles with curiosity and wisdom. And Great Spirit, help me to be truly who I am. All of my relations.